second is that risk management is going to make or break you. And what I mean by this is that, okay, let's say you developed or found a good strategy that works for you, right? However, you're terrible at managing your risk, right? Let's say you get on a trade and that trade is perfect, but you don't size properly. You will end up hurting and possibly destroying your account just because you over leverage, right? Or you might end up winning the trade, but because you leverage too light, you put too little risk on the trade, now you're not really making any progress on hitting your goals, passing any challenges, getting funded, whatever your goal is, because you risk too low. You have to understand the perfect balance between over leveraging and under leveraging. And risk management is what breaks more traders than the technicals, than learning the strategy, right? It's risk management, and the reason why is because, like I said, right, a trade can make or break you, but if you're not in the markets long enough, right, to actually see if your strategy works on an extended period of time, of course trading is going to be hard for you. Of course you're going to be more likely to quit. That's why you want to risk small enough that even if you lose consecutively a few times, you're still have enough capital, you still have enough wiggle room to stay in the market. You're still able to be here for the long run. Compared to if you over leverage, right, you might make a lot of money, but then if you do that same thing on the next trade and you lose, then you might be back at square one, right? And you're kind of back and forth in this endless cycle of making profit and giving it away. Or you might end up making a lot of money and then losing it, and then because you made so much money very quickly and you lost it so fast, now your emotions getting tied, so you end up revenge trading and wiping even more profits that you didn't need to give up to the market. So understanding that when it comes to risk management, sometimes you want to do a lot of small wins, right, until you can build up that account, build up that little buffer, build up that wiggle room to then start increasing your leverage, increasing your lot sizes a little bit, and start making bigger gains. But you won't get there if you're not willing to be happy and satisfied with the small wins, right? I always like to bring this to sports.